30-second tip. If you've got a screw that's got a cut, I'll show you a good trick here. Now the first thing I do is I put a nut on it. The reason I put a nut on it is because after I cut this piece off, it's going to leave a burr. And that burr has to be taken off. And the best way to take it off, I've found, is with a nut. I simply put a nut with a wrench on it, and I just work the thread through. Sometimes you need a pair of pliers. And you work it through until the thread comes clean. And then I'll thread it on again a second time to make sure that whatever I'm going to be putting on it is going to thread on easily. This one doesn't, so I'm going to have to work it a bit more. Might take a couple of turns to get past that until I can take it off and put it on by hand. Like so, then you got a nice clean thread. So you got to put your